Welcome to an exciting adventure. You're in for a treat as we share a wealth of valuable insights that will inspire and transform you. Now, if you're ready, let's embark on this incredible journey together. Create a vision. The first step in achieving our dreams is to create a clear vision. Determine where you want to go in life and what you want to accomplish. This vision will serve as a compass to guide you toward your goals. Nurture inner motivation. True motivation comes from internal focus and determination. Find activities that motivate you and dedicate regular time to them. This will nourish your inner motivation and help you focus on your goals. Set goals. Breaking down big goals into small, achievable steps is important. This makes it easier to track your progress and helps maintain your motivation. Regularly review your set goals and make adjustments if necessary. Overcome obstacles. Expect and plan how to overcome the obstacles you may encounter on your journey. Failure is just a pause, an opportunity to keep going. Every obstacle is an opportunity for new learning and growth. Find inspiration. Draw strength from the success stories of others. Inspirational books or motivational videos. The stories that inspire you will also inspire you to write your own success story. Additionally, working under the guidance of a mentor can boost your motivation. Discipline and patience. It's important to make progress by taking small steps every day. Be patient and develop disciplined work habits to reach your goals. Remember that progress may not always be fast. Be patient and trust the process. Stay optimistic, even when facing challenges. Maintain your optimism. Every problem has a solution, and every difficulty makes you stronger. Instead of focusing on negatives, approach with a positive attitude and look forward to the future with hope. We all have big goals in our lives, and we need strong motivation to achieve them. Remember, the power to fulfill your dreams lies within you. Believe in yourself, boldly pursue your goals, and take determined steps on the path to success. If you have any motivation sources or experiences you'd like to share on this topic, feel free to share them with us in the comments. Let's empower each other to achieve our dreams together.